So after planning and location research, our camping adventure was about to begin. But all we had to do was pack.
Sun shining down on me, oh what a brand new day. Nothing can bring me down, nothing can get in my way.
Say hello, Charlotte.
Hello?
What are you doing there, Charlotte?
Mixing the
What are you?
soup.
The stew?
Stew.
Yeah. Look, there's Oakley. Say hello, Oakley.
Hello.
Here's our little setup. Tent. There's Jenny
And there's me.
and Oakley and Charlotte. Go on, dab, Charlotte. That's it. Oh yeah, you guys got it. You know how to floss? Floss. Now, where are we today, guys?
We are at Kaipo Forest.
Close enough. What is it? Chookarloo? Chookarloo?
Chookarloo campsite.
Yeah.
Chookarloo.
And what number are we at, Oakley?
17. No, 17. 17.
Yeah, you got it. All right, let's go for a walk. Yeah, we're going on a bear hunt.
13.
We're going on a bear hunt.
Yeah. Going on a bear hunt. We're going to get the big. What if people say I'm not scared? I know there's big grass. I'm just going to go through it.
Uh oh. We have to go through it. Oh yeah.
Past the bushes.
Watch out.
Oh. Look at the creek.
Yeah, look at that forest. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
Should we go down there? Let's go down there.
All right, let's go have a look. Let's go have a quick look.
Click the like button and subscribe. Please.
Go on. Say it.
Hit the like button and subscribe. Like and subscribe for 2 weeks of good luck.
Sounds like a really good deal.
Yeah,
Oh.
whatever was in there.
Look at all the wood over there. Oh, there's lots of wood in there.
Yeah.
Jenny, we hit the jackpot. Look at all that wood over there. Oh my God.
We hit the jackpot.
We hit the jackpot. But I reckon it might be wet.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at dinner tonight. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, nice pasta